Okay, folks, sorry it's taken so long to do a video, dealing with crap. If you are one of the people that are interested in building a PC with the lianli q58 case and want to use an ATX power supply, well, if your power supply has the prong, I think that's the ground. Yeah, that's the ground. It won't fit in like this, so you'd have to take the power supply apart and flip this the other direction so it will go in like this instead. The only bad thing is that, like on the other power supplies that people have shown with their builds, the cable gets in the way of the rocker switch. Fortunately, I think it'll just stay in the on position. But now, yay, I get to take this thing apart to fix that problem. It's the only way. Either that or just buy an SFX power supply, which I don't feel like doing right at the moment. And yes, if you have a warranty on your power supply, you will void it if you open it. Go figure. You would think that they would have came up with some kind of an adapter that would plug into here and plug into here from a different angle maybe. I don't know. Either that or make this thing swivel. Who knows? They didn't really think this thing through right here, I can tell you that much right now. But we're going to give this a shot. And no, there is no room for a CD drive. If you have to use CDs, then you'll have to use an external drive. By the way, this is not the PCI 4.0. It's a 3.0. My card doesn't do 4.0. It only does 3. Well, anyways, just so you guys have a heads up of what you'd have to do. See y'all later.